Today, we'll show you how to successfully request a rental application using Avail. Avail provides residence histories, employment and income verifications, and more. Everything you need to protect your investment and select the right tenant. First, we'll assume you've already created your Avail account and have added your property. Once this is done, navigate to the unit by selecting the property, then click the unit you wish to send an application from on the main dashboard. Next, click Applications. From here, you'll want to click on the button Request Application. This is where you're able to add your applicant information. You'll be asked to provide the applicant's full first and last name and an email address or phone number. You'll be able to add multiple applicants to a single application by providing individual names and emails under Add Applicant. By clicking Edit Application, you'll be able to view all of the information that's asked of the applicant to complete, such as residence and employment history, along with screening reports. To make changes, simply click on the individual input to edit. Once everything looks good to you, you're able to click Send Application Request. Congratulations! You've just successfully requested a rental application using Avail. Your applicant will receive an immediate email or text notification inviting them to create their account and complete the application. If you have any additional questions or experience any challenges along the way, you can reach the Avail customer support team by phone, email, or online chat. Details can be found below.